What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have this auto body repair kit. Comes in a nice case. It's got 3 different body hammers. They have different textures on one side. There's some sharper side and the other blunt side, and a pointed side. And also these dollies, there's 4 of them. You can use those on the inside while you're hitting a panel. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.